Have you ever spent time carefully crafting your web page, only to open it in a browser and find frustrating, empty spaces where your content should be? It is a common head-scratcher for many aspiring web builders. Those blank spots can make your page look unfinished or even broken, and it is natural to feel a bit lost on why they are appearing. To fix blank HTML element content, the most effective approach is to systematically debug your code using your browser's developer tools. This means checking your HTML structure, verifying file paths, inspecting your CSS for hidden elements, and looking for JavaScript errors that might prevent content from rendering. Blank content often stems from a few core reasons. Sometimes, an HTML tag might be empty, meaning it has no text or other elements inside it. Other times, the browser cannot find the resource you are linking to, such as an image or a style sheet, because the file path is incorrect. Cascading style sheets, or CSS, can also inadvertently hide elements with properties like display set to none or visibility set to hidden, or by setting dimensions to 0. Lastly, JavaScript errors can sometimes prevent dynamic content from being added to the page, leaving elements blank. Let us dive into the how-to. First, open your web page in a browser like Chrome or Firefox and right-click on the blank area. Select Inspect or Inspect Element from the context menu. This will open the browser developer tools, which are your best friend for debugging. In the Elements tab, you can see your HTML structure. Look for the blank element. Is it there? If so, does it have any content inside it? Check for empty tags like an image tag with a missing source attribute or a div tag with no text or other elements inside. If you see the element but it is blank, move to the Styles tab. Here, you can examine the applied CSS rules. Look for properties like display, none visibility, hidden or height, 0 and width, 0. These are common culprits for hiding content. You can even toggle these rules off to see if your content reappears. Next, verify all your file paths. For images, make sure the source attribute in your image tag correctly points to the image file. A common mistake is a typo in the file name or an incorrect folder path. Similarly, check your link tags for style sheets and script tags for JavaScript files. If the browser cannot find these files, it will not be able to apply styles or execute scripts. The console tab in your developer tools is also vital. It will display any JavaScript errors or warnings about failed resource loads. These messages can directly tell you why content is not appearing. An insider tip for robust web building is to always use semantic HTML tags where appropriate. Instead of just using a generic div for everything, opt for elements like header, nav, main, article, section, and footer. This not only makes your code more readable but also helps browsers and assistive technologies understand the structure of your content, making it less prone to rendering issues. Also, make sure to test your pages across different browsers, as subtle differences in how browsers interpret code can sometimes cause unexpected blank areas. By adopting a systematic approach to debugging, starting with the browser developer tools, you gain the power to confidently troubleshoot and resolve blank HTML element content. This methodical checking of your HTML structure, resource paths, and CSS rules, combined with an understanding of potential JavaScript issues, transforms you from someone frustrated by blank spaces into a skilled problem solver, ensuring your web pages always display exactly as you intend.